ADVANSA, 50 years of progressive fibre technology. Based in Germany, ADVANSA is a leading European producer of polyester fibres. We are active all over the world and maintain offices, marketing and logistics centres in Europe, Asia and the USA. As a former DuPont company, ADVANSA can look back on 50 years of progressive and sustainable fibre production. The safety and health of our employees and end users, as well as respect for the environment, are anchored in the principles of our company. In addition, ADVANSA has a strong track record as an industry leader, focusing on innovation, determination, independence, quality, customer service and marketing. Our differentiated fibres combine comfort, technical performance and sustainability. The product portfolio is suitable for two main divisions: filling fibres for home textiles and shortcut fibres for technical applications. These are used in various areas. Our experienced employees continuously develop new technologies and methods for satisfying the requirements of our customers and end users. The results are innovative and functional fibre products with added value. Reducing greenhouse gases is an important international concern. As part of our diverse sustainability strategy, we produce our products using technologies ensuring an improved carbon footprint. For example, here we use PET flakes from recycled PET bottles. Therefore, many of our products carry the EU Eco label, providing an environmentally friendly production. In addition, we're focused on reducing energy consumption. ADVANSA has been operating a certified energy management system since 2012. Polyester production is based on recycled PET flakes and additives, or so-called virgin chips, which are melted in the extruder to a polymer and pressed through ultra-fine spinning nozzles at the spinning machine. Here, the cross-section and thus the functionality of the fibres are defined. Next, the fibres are cooled, blended and combined to become a main strand and achieve their final strength through a stretching process. The combined fibres strand are crimped to determine their bulk and cohesion properties. Finally, the fibres are cut and packed entirely automatically. Our electrical and mechanical maintenance technicians are responsible for a continuous operation of our production machinery. Thanks to them, smooth production processes are guaranteed. ADVANSA produces continuously in rotating shifts. This puts high demands on centralized supply chain management. The fail-proofed IT technology and equipment contribute to our stable processes. ADVANSA is permanently investing in the latest technologies in an effort to retain smooth processes and networks with customers and suppliers. The ADVANSA family of brands offering sleep comfort includes functional fibres for manufacturing high-quality bedding products to comply with a wide variety of requirements on sleep comfort quality. Due to our high-quality standards of fibres, ADVANSA is able to give each final product an individual number and thus a quality promise. ADVANSA makes significant investments in marketing and advertising. Our customers benefit greatly from this support. ADVANSA also has a wide product portfolio in the area of engineered fibres. These products are used, for example, in wallpaper, filters, industrial requirements, hygiene and medicine, and much more. ADVANSA pursues a long-term and sustainable business strategy. Our actions are determined by our openness, responsibility and honesty towards our colleagues, customers and suppliers. Our focus is on our customers' interests, and we are only satisfied if they are. The tradition of a well-established company is integral to ADVANSA. Healthy commercial principles are combined with the concepts of sustainable business, as well as responsibility for the future of our environment and of our customers' future.